For over a year, I'd been documenting one herd of white Welsh ponies. One of them was a young foal called Dipper. Then, one morning, I woke up to the news that wildfire has swept through a very house they called home. I didn't know what happened to the horses, so I just packed my camera and drove to Wales.
The situation recording to the horses is currently unknown, so I feel really obligated to go and have a look what's going on. A friend of mine sent me the localization of the fire, and fortunately it's not so close, it's not too close to the herd that I'm usually recording, but it doesn't change the fact that the hierarchy on the hills can be disrupted, and the situation among the horses can be unstable and tense. I can't even imagine about my project, because so far I knew where are the horses. It could change everything. I'm just reading right now. So the smoke from a mountain wildfire, equal to the size of about 300 football pitches, has been smelled 30 miles away in Cardiff. 300. Bloody hell. 300 football pitches. That's massive area. Horses can be separated, wander about and find themselves in the situation beyond their control. So definitely I have to go.
Not exactly the herd I was hoping to find.
Oh my gosh, I feel a little bit stressed because they really eager to come to you.
Finding this particular herd felt almost unreal. I've been looking for them for nearly 3 years. These were the Welsh Cobs, the largest and most powerful of the semi-feral Welsh ponies. Unlike the smaller mountain ponies, they're heavier, stronger and far less commonly encountered in the wild. It was this very herd that first sparked my fascination with Welsh semi-feral horses and led me to spend years documenting their lives. Although these horses are used to seeing people from a distance, every herd has its own boundaries, and I didn't realize I'd already crossed one.
I just left my tripod there and trying to make a huge circle to not cross the horse's patch. Well, I can live like normal people, like just sit at home, watch Netflix. I always have to get trouble. Oh my gosh. Whew. Okay, there is. Okay, there is my tripod. Okay, good.
At first, it looked like they were trying to intimidate me, but the longer I watched, the more I realized something else was happening. I had become the object of their curiosity. Horses naturally investigate anything unfamiliar, often by walking closer, sniffing, or gently nudging with their noses. But when you are surrounded by several curious horses, each weighing around 500 kilograms, even innocent curiosity demands respect. I never found Dipper that day. The wildfire had changed the landscape a bit, and the ponies were nowhere to be seen. Instead, I found a completely different heart and a reminder that nature rarely follows the story we expect. Sometimes documenting wildlife isn't about getting the ending you hope for. It's about accepting that you are only witnessing one small chapter of a much bigger story.